Hello, this is Dave. This is part 2 of the Coinbase video series. Now remember, in part 1 we went ahead and created a Coinbase account, verified it, and then we went in and made a bank account or attached a bank account, and we didn't use the log on method. Instead, we used a method where you can take the account and create it by sending 2 small payments to your bank account. This is more secure. So I used a savings account, and I had to enter in the routing number and the account number and then verify the account, and then it came up waiting for those 2 small payments. So I had to wait and get my bank statement. So now that I've got it, we can sign back into Coinbase. And this is just using my Gmail account and my 2-step phone verification. So I got the code off my phone. This is how you log into Coinbase normally. It's just the way it works. And then you get in there and click Add Payment Method. Or you can hit Buy Sell. Just make sure you're on the home page. Hit Buy Sell. Click it right there in the corner. Now it wants to verify that bank account. So we verify the payment method. Now that's my bank statement at the top with the 2 small payments that I finally got after a day. So I just punch in the 04 and the 18, and then I'll verify those deposit amounts to verify the bank account. Okay, now we can start buying cryptocurrency, in this case Bitcoin. So I think I'll put in about $100 and then just preview that, see what it looks like. And there's the amount of the purchase, 97.01. So if I want to make it an even 100, I could probably add in the $2.99 for the transaction fee into there. And then try it again, preview it. Okay, now it's an even 100. Of course, it'll depend on what it's trading at the time I click the Buy Now button. So it might not be exactly $100. Okay, there's the amount of Bitcoin right there. So let's click Continue, and then we can view the transaction. And there's the transaction, and you can see what I bought, and it's minus $100 out of my account. But what we need to do to see how much I actually have in my account as far as the dollar amount of Bitcoin is go to the home page, and then you can see it's 99.46. So the transaction caught it at a time when it was a little less than what I thought it would be. I came back later and looked at it, and it actually increased as trading went on during the day. So that day it was actually increasing. Bitcoin's very popular right now, and it is on the increase in general, but the price will go up and down, so don't be surprised if your amount dips from time to time and then goes back up. It's just the way it goes. So that's it for now. Now, next video I may work on using the Pro version of Coinbase and see how that works. Thanks for watching.